In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting it up for personal use, business, or even a child, it's a quick and straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Google sign-in page. You'll see a sign-in area, but since we're creating a new account, look for the option that says Create Account. Click on that and you'll be prompted to specify whether the account is for personal use, a child, or for work or business. Choosing the correct option is essential as it will tailor some of the features Google offers to suit your needs. Next, you'll be asked to provide some basic information, your first and last name. Enter those into the fields provided, as they'll be linked to your account and visible on emails you send. Once filled in, click Next to continue. Now it's time to set your birth date and gender. These details are important for recovery options and to ensure Google services are appropriately suited for you. Once you've entered this information, click Next to proceed. Now we move on to creating your username. This will also serve as your Gmail address, so pick something unique that's easy to remember. If your desired username is unavailable, don't worry, Google will suggest alternatives. Select one that works for you and click Next. Creating a strong password is a crucial next step. A good password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This ensures your account stays secure, protecting your personal information. After entering your password, hit the Next button to continue. At this point, you may need to verify your email address. Sometimes a verification code will be sent to another email you might have previously linked, or you may need to enter a phone number for verification purposes. Follow the instructions provided to complete this step. Google will now prompt you to provide optional recovery information. This is highly recommended as it will help recover your account if you ever forget your password. Add details like a phone number or alternative email address, and then move on to reviewing Google's terms of service and privacy policy. It's crucial to read these before agreeing, as it outlines how your data will be used. Finally, once you've accepted the terms, follow any remaining on-screen instructions to complete the setup, and your Google account will be ready to use. Now you're all set to explore the wide range of services Google offers, like Gmail, Google Drive, and YouTube, all from your brand new account. Happy exploring!